So, let's see here, the driveway is flooding, kind of like usual. Looks like the whole driveway, up until the end, yes, has standing water. See the water over here, walking down to the drain. I'm not sure if you took the drain cover off again or not. Let me go look at that. Flooding over on the other side of our driveway, which doesn't always happen. So the driveway is better down as we get towards the street, but you can see the grass is flooded. There's the little retention pond. I can't really even see the big drain, cement drain piece over there. The water's so high. So here, I'm going to take this cover off. If I can get it off. There we go.